the long term. Because this is more of policies as well as legislation. For example, government implementation, opening new economic zones, regionalizing or increasing tax incentives for those populations that will locate in the provinces. All into the long term.
Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. If a good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on, I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do. And those winds you can blow away out there. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. If a good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on, I look for you if I'm never back this way. Na na na, na 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 na, na na. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on, I look for you if I'm never back this way. I look for you if I'm never past this way. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.